Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to use the Liquify tool in Photoshop, and the version I have right now is Adobe Photoshop CC 2015. So before we get started, let's just talk a little bit about what the Liquify tool is about. So it is a image editing tool that allows you to push and pull pixels in any direction, and it's also known as the digital plastic surgeon and takes a bit of time and energy to master. So let's just go over where the Liquify tool is in Photoshop. So just go over in the top menu here and look for filter, which is right over here. Click it and then you'll find Liquify tool here. And for a shortcut, just press Shift, Control, and then X. So just click this. And when you click it, you have an individual workspace for the Liquify option. So here we are on the left menu, we have the Forward Warp tool, which just brings any pixels forward. The Reconstruct tool, which just undoes any sort of action that you've done on the specific area you've chosen. The Pucker tool, which minimizes the pixels, and the Bloat tool, which does opposite, enlarges them. Here we have the Push Left tool, which is very self-explanatory, pushes your pixels to the left. And we have our standard tools here, which is the Hand tool, which just drags your image around, and then your Zoom tool. Here over on the right, we have this button called Load Last Mesh, which pretty much means you can bring up the work that you've done previously, and it saves it by itself. Then here we have the size and the pressure for your brush tool options. And if you have a stylus, it can be very useful, but right now I just have a mouse, so we can't really use that today. So let's get started. So here I have an image imported from Google of a person's face, and I would like to make some retouches of her. So let's just say I want to define her cheekbones. So I would go over here to the left menu, click Forward Warp tool, and adjust it to the brush size that I would like. So this is a pretty good size. And I'm just going to move her cheekbones up like that. Go. Obviously her eyes are a bit abnormal, so I'm going to go over here, click the Reconstruct tool, and just make her eyes normal again, just like that. There we go. And if I want to make your eyebrows a little bit more thinner, I'm going to go here over the menu here and click Pucker tool and just minimize her eyebrows, just like that. Oh my gosh. Whew. Alright, and now let's just say I want to make her lips a bit smaller as well. So the trick here, if you don't do it very subtle and very small movements, then it does get a bit weird. So just make sure to keep in mind that you don't do it too quickly, just very small subtle movements. So I'm just going to go around the perimeter of her mouth first and just keep going until I'm satisfied with the size of it. Alright, so her lips have officially become smaller. Now, if I want to elongate her nose, make it contoured a little bit more without using makeup, then I'm just going to use the Seam tool, which is Pucker tool, and just try to make it a bit smaller just by going through the sides. If you're satisfied with your retouches, go over to this right menu here, click OK, then it'll be saved. Here is a before and after picture. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!